Videos. My life, my friend, my love, my world, my destiny. I made this video to thank all the people who helped, who supported, and who made me realize that this is my fate to turn my destiny to become what it's needed. To thank all my crew to achieve what we desire, the desire to make this video, and our goal to become the winner of this event. To thank FEU East Asia College for making this competition, and to thank God for giving us this opportunity to join the AVP. Ang dami naming napagdaan ng hirap, pagod, puyat, at panghihina ng loob para lang magawa itong pinagmamalaki naming AVP ng FEU East Asia College. Sa totoo lang, dapat wala ng I Love MPP dito sa competition na to dahil tingin ko o tingin namin na wala na kaming pag-asa. Pero dahil na rin sa mga kaibigan ko nagsabi sa akin na huwag kang maniwala sa sarili mo, maniwala ka sa amin, naniniwala sa'yo na makakaya natin to at mananalo tayo. Medyo nakakatawa ang mga words na yun, pero yun ang nagbigay sa akin lakas ng loob para huwag sumuko at ipagpatuloy ang laban. Kaya, to all my friends, my family, to all the students of this school, advance your future here at FEU East Asia College, True Technology. Thank you.